Multiples and factors are tremendously difficult concepts for kids to pick up in the abstract by just teaching them definitions. Fortunately, though, the Wonder Number Board gives them a concrete illustration of what multiples and factors actually are by color-coding them and consistently listing them on the board for easy viewing, which leads to quicker and more thorough understanding.
Okay, on the Wonder Number Board, we have lots of numbers that are in squares, and they're all color-coded. And the color coding that is on the board represents the multiples of a number. For example, the multiples of 3 are all red. And if we look throughout the board, any place we find a red 3 would be a multiple of 3. Put a viewer on 57, we see that 57 is a multiple of 3 because 3 times 19 is 57. Another one would be 42. We have 3 times 14 is 42. So 42 is a multiple of 3. A third one would be 39 because 3 times 13 equals 39. And those are the multiples of 3. The next one we could look at is the multiples of 5. The multiples of 5 are all green. If you look on the board, we have 55. 55 is a multiple of 5 because it has a green 5. 5 times 11 is 55. If we choose 40, we see that 40 has a green 5. 40 is a multiple of 5 because 5 times 8 is 40. And one more would be 75. 75 is a multiple of 5 because 5 times 15 is 75. On the Wonder Number Board, all the multiples of numbers are color-coded. For example, the multiples of 9 are all pink. If we pick a pink number on the board, it'll be a multiple of 9. For example, if we highlight 27, we have 3 times 9 is 27. Another one that we can choose would be 54 because 6 times 9 equals 54. Another one could be 90 because 10 times 9 equals 90. All those numbers have a pink 9, which shows that it's a multiple of 9. Using the Wonder Number Board, we can show factors of numbers by looking at the small numbers that are inside a box. For example, if we look at 20, 20 has a list of factors that are listed inside the box. We have 1 times 20 is 20. 1 and 20 are factors of 20. We have 2 times 10 is 20. 2 and 10 are factors of 20. And we have 4 times 5 is 20. 4 and 5 are factors of 20. So all the factors are listed around the number in the Wonder Number Board. Let's focus on another one. Let's focus on 44. All the factors are listed in the Wonder Number square. 1 times 44 is 44, so 1 and 44 are factors of 44. 2 times 22 is 44, so 2 and 22 are factors. And 4 times 11 is 44, so 4 and 11 are factors of 44. Now, on the Wonder Number Board, if you look at the number 32, the factors are also listed around that number. We have 1 times 32 is 32, so 1 and 32 are factors of 32. 2 times 16 is 32, so 2 and 16 are factors of 32. 4 times 8 is 32, so 4 and 8 are also factors of 32. All the factors are listed around the number.